Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you along with me to Big Lots to check out what's new for Christmas 2018. There are several different collections. There is definitely something for everyone here, and I'm going to show you what's the best from each collection because it's honestly just too much to put in one video. So we're starting off in the Merry Moments area. That's the name of the collection, and it's kind of like gnome inspired. I would say it has a touch of Scandinavian influence, and it's definitely the most kid-friendly section in my opinion. So you're going to see lots of sweater pattern items, and my favorite from the collection is this centerpiece here. I love these sweater Christmas ornaments. It does light up. I do think the price could be a little bit cheaper, but it is my favorite from the collection. I don't know why, but this tree reminds me of red velvet cake. I thought it was pretty interesting. And they also, I'm going to show you here in just a second, they have a camper. I know that campers were kind of getting popular last year, and we're seeing them again this year. This one looks like it should light up, but it doesn't. It looks like you could maybe drop a tea light, a flameless tea light in the side there, but good luck getting it out. Or you could put some fairy lights in there too. That would be an easy solution to make it light up. And I absolutely love this Christmas tree with the yarn going around it. I wish that the stars were glittery instead of red, but I think it's so cute, and I may end up picking that up. And I definitely wanted to share this really cool version of a wreath, and I think the price on this is really fair. This is my favorite pillow from all of the collections, and it is only $12, which I think is a steal.
Holy infant, so tender and mild, silent night, holy night, all is calm.
Their wreaths are kind of so-so this year. I think this one is really pretty. It has all the bells and whistles, but it is $30, and I think you could pretty easily make that from a Hobby Lobby wreath and some Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments. I don't mean to be a Debbie Downer, but these were not very good quality. I think you can easily make these yourself, and I did a DIY making a faux fur gift box last year, so I'll leave that linked below in case you're interested in checking it out. And now we're kind of getting into a different collection that has tons and tons of red trucks, so if you are on the red truck decor train, then definitely strap in because there is a lot to share with you. But first we're going to take a look at some of the other wreaths. I did like this one. I think $25 is a fair price for that. I don't think you could make it for any less. And if you like glitz and glam, that is the wreath for you. It's more of like a champagne color. But if you're more on the rustic side, there's this wreath here with the antlers for $20. Walmart does carry antlers like that for like 98 cents a piece, so you may be able to make that for less. And this was my favorite wreath from the bunch. I think it's just simple, and you could leave it up all winter long, so that's kind of like more bang for your buck. And if you've been into the whole eucalyptus trend, then they have these picks for $4 that have the frosted eucalyptus. And now we're gonna move on to like the truck collection. There's just so many trucks, you guys. This one lights up. I think it's really cute. And there is another one that has dogs on it that you will see in a moment here as well. This pillow definitely looks like one that I have seen at Kirkland's and some of the other higher end stores, and the price is right on this, you guys. It's only $14. I think that's a very, very fair price. This placemat is only $2.50 and I think it could definitely be framed to use as wall art. I really enjoy this window pane version of a wreath. It is only $20 and I think it has that perfect amount of rustic charm. And I also really love this kind of bucket with eucalyptus that's frosted in it. The price is a little high, but I envision that in my kitchen this year, so I may end up going back to pick that up. I did really like these faux fur stockings. They also come in red and they're only $8. And I did want to show you this wreath. I have mentioned before that I love the use of eucalyptus in the fall and Christmas decor, but this one kind of missed the bill for me. They've done some really nice versions of eucalyptus, but I didn't really love that one, and it is $30, so I think you could make it for less. But this, you guys, is so cute. The one tree on it is gold. It looks kind of lime green on camera, and for $12 you can't go wrong. And I think this will be a hit as well. The red door instead of a wreath, I think that's such a cool idea, and it just has a lot of detail. There is going to be a rose gold version coming up in a little bit if you like rose gold better, and $20, to me, that seems like a fair price. And all I can say here is that the struggle is real, you guys. I just love this galvanized metal snowman for $20. I think he's really cute, and the price is slightly steep, but you can leave him out all winter long, so he kind of pulls double duty. And here is another snowman. He has a faux fur scarf, and I think that's adorable. And this is another centerpiece. I think this is pretty cute. It was extremely light though and not high quality, but I do really love the way that it looks. What do you know, you guys? More trucks. I think these bowls will be so cute for chili in the winter time, and they are $5, and there is a matching mug for $4. They even have a truck-shaped cookie jar, which will be perfect for all of your holiday cookies. So now we're going to take a look at their Enchantment collection, I believe is what it's called. It's just the rose gold selection, and many of you know that I decorated in rose gold the past few years. I'm not doing it this year though, so this was kind of like torture to me. And I love this doormat. It is so beautiful and only $12. It has a ton of fallout, but you can't deny how pretty it is. This Santa is like probably the most gorgeous Santa I have ever seen. So glam and so beautiful. There is a lot of pretty stuff in this collection, like these beautiful trees, but there's also some stuff that kind of just looks too overdone and too tacky in my opinion. I don't really love the ornaments. The one I was just holding is okay, but this one I definitely don't like. I think it has too much going on, and I don't mean to offend anybody, but let me know if you feel the same way. There's just a lot going on there, and it would be prettier with a little bit less. I love all the deer. They come out with those every year, and I think the pillow selection in this collection is really, really nice. There's lots of beaded pillows that look like they came from Pier 1, and they're all super affordable, as I have already said. This mirrored mosaic tree is $18, and I think this rose gold and pearl angel is very unique, and I do really like that. I love this tree topper. I wish I would have seen that a couple years ago when I was doing rose gold. And this mosaic snowflake looks like it would be a stocking holder. It's not. It's much bigger, and it doesn't have a hook. It is $16 and very beautiful. And these little tea light holders are stunning. Both Jose and I really liked these, and I never gravitate towards this blingy stuff. I know it's so popular. It's just not my personal style, but they're very beautiful, especially for the Christmas season. And now we are going to take a look at the wreaths that they are offering. This is that rose gold version of the door, and I don't like it nearly as much. I think there's too much going on, but to each their own. This one is a little bit pricier at $28. And then they have this faux fur wreath as well. I did a faux fur Dollar Tree DIY wreath on my channel last year. I'll link it below if you want a more affordable option. And now we're looking at their Festive Blooms collection. This is definitely the smallest. It's basically just burgundy and emerald green colored Christmas decor. I'm doing emerald green this year, so I especially love this tree for $16. And this isn't a part of that collection, but I had to show you guys. I found it on an end cap and it's only $6. I think it's so cute. But back to the Festive Blooms collection, here are the pillows that they are offering, and there are a few really cute signs as well. You guys, Big Lots probably has as many ornaments, if not more, than places like Hobby Lobby. There is just so much to look at. These are stunning. I couldn't take my eyes off of them, but I think I may come back and make a separate video just about their ornaments because, like I said, there's just so much. I could not include everything in this video. I will make a mention of the rose gold ornaments though. They have a lot to choose from. When I first started my rose gold theme, you had to buy individual ornaments, and you had to get them at places like Home Goods and TJ Maxx for tons of money. So it's great that you can get a whole set for $12 or less. It's super affordable to do the rose gold theme this year, and they have ornaments in each one of their collections. This looks very similar to the truck ornament from Dollar Tree that costs only $1, so I would recommend checking there first if you like that. And here's just a little peek at what Christmas trees they have. I may show some Christmas trees in a future vlog when I go pick out my new tree for my new house. But I do have my eye on one at Big Lots. I just want to check the other stores out as well. And Jose caught me fluffing a tree in the middle of the store. It just needed a little sprucing and a little extra love. This is the one that I have my eye on. It's 9 feet tall, pre-lit, and only $2.50. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. I hope you saw something that you like. If you have a request for another store you would like me to go to, leave it in the comments below, and I hope to see you back in a future video. Bye guys.
Jolly old St. Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what